Hey guys, welcome to Wheels Boutique. My name is Benjamin, I'm the owner. Wanted to show you guys and showcase this new Voodoo Blue 992 GT3. Has amazing S101SCs. We did a full color match. Adjusted the factory suspension, but what's really cool about this car, it has a really unique exhaust, hard to get in the USA, has a full Akrapovic, not just the rear section, has a full evolution system, long tube equal length headers with 200 cell cats. This thing sounds insane. I'm happy to bring it to our channel, especially for you guys to hear the different systems that are available from us, from IPE. And obviously Akrapovic. And a few other brands that we carry. Let's take her for a rip and see what you guys think. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the sound of this thing. I think it has to be my favorite yet to date on these GT3s. We have more systems coming out. We're gonna debut shortly. Just remember, we get cars around the world, straight from Ontario, Canada, do full Novatech, Black Series, you name it, we work on them, we do them. Stay tuned and looking forward to meeting all of you.